Hello, children. Welcome back to our language class. Today, we are going to learn a very interesting topic in language. The name of the topic is All About Glass. Lesson number 20 All About Glass. Now, children, we all know that glass is a very useful material because it is used for a variety of things. It is used for making glass lenses, containers, windows, laptop screens, etc. Okay, glass containers are popular because it stores things without blocking the light. That means you can see through the glass. Okay, now we will read the lesson and understand the topic. Glass is one of the most beautiful substance that we see around us. Okay, now this is a very beautiful substance, that is glass, that we see around us, that we see in our surroundings. Children, this glass, it contains no chemicals and it can be washed at a very high temperature. Okay, now glass can be recycled, but plastics are less recycled. Okay, glass can be totally recycled. Just take a look around yourself and see how many things you can find that are made of glass. Now, children, we can see around ourselves the things that are made with glass. Okay, in this slide itself, you can see the windows, the car windows, the bottles, the bowls, all are made of glass. We have more examples here. Light bulbs, the bulbs used in our houses, in the corridor of buildings, etc. We have bottles in which we store oil, we store water, we store juice, etc. Okay, now we have more glass items. Jar, these jars are used in kitchen. Okay, and mummy uses it to store dal, spices, sugar, etc. Okay, these are stored in these jars because it can be seen from outside. Okay, the items that are stored can be seen from outside, so it is very convenient. The next is glasses. Very common, children, we use these glasses to drink water, juice, etc. We have the reading glasses. These glasses are worn by people who cannot see properly. Okay, they use these glasses to read newspapers, books, etc. Now we have more examples. Yes, the familiar one, marbles. Children, you must be using this to play with your friends. We have window panes which are seen in classrooms, buildings, etc. Now, where does this glass come from? Children, do you have any idea? Let's learn about it. How glass is made. The glass that is used to make so many everyday things is a man-made material. Okay, now this glass that we are going to learn about, it is made by the thing that we see every day, that is the man-made material. Okay, it is made with man-made material. Let's see what it is. It may seem unbelievable, but this clear, transparent and smooth looking material is actually made from sand. Children, this glass is made from sand. Unbelievable, isn't it? Now let's see how to make a glass. Okay, it is made from sand. Okay, transparent means through which we can see. Now Glass is made by heating a mixture of clean white sand and chemicals like soda and lime. Yes, children, very unbelievable. This glass is made by heating a mixture of white sand, chemicals like soda and lime. Okay, we use soda and lime to make this glass. Okay, you can't believe, isn't it? Yes, so the glass which we use every day is made by heating a mixture of white sand, soda, and lime. Now we will see how it is made. The procedure, okay, the mixture is heated in a furnace till it turns into hot liquid glass. When it cools down, it becomes stiff and hard. Now children, how is the glass made? Okay, this mixture what we saw of white sand, soda and lemon, it is heated in a furnace. What is a furnace? It is a huge enclosed space for heating metals or glass on a very high temperature. Okay, that is called a furnace. Okay, so this mixture, it is heated in the furnace and it turns into a liquid glass. Okay, hot liquid glass. But children, when it cools down, when this mixture cools down, what happens? It becomes very stiff and hard. Stiff means it becomes very difficult to bend or to move it. Now we will see how the glass is given shape. We have so many varieties of shapes, isn't it? So we will see how the glass takes the shape. Okay. Once glass has become cold, stiff and hard, it is not possible to shape it. Glass is brittle. That means it breaks easily. Now children, for the glass, we need to give some shapes. Okay, so this shape has to be given when it is hot liquid. Why? Because when the glass becomes cold, what happens? It becomes very stiff. You cannot give any shape after it is cold. And it is brittle too. Brittle means what? It breaks very easily. So children, whenever you handle a glass, you should be very careful. It may break into pieces when you handle it very dangerously. Okay, it may hurt you or it may hurt others. Okay, so you should always handle glass very carefully as it is very brittle. It has to be shaped into different articles when it is still hot and soft. Yes, children, when the glass has to be shaped into different articles or different items, it has to be done when it is hot and very soft. Okay, because what happens when it becomes cold? Yes, it becomes stiff and hard and you cannot give any shape to it. Very hot glass is more like a liquid. You can pour it, mold it, roll it, press it, or even blow it to make a variety of shapes. Now children, when the glass liquid is very hot, you can give any shape to it. You can pour it like a liquid, you can mold it. Mold means what? You can give any shape to it. Okay, varieties of shapes and sizes means when the liquid, okay, when the liquid glass is poured in a shape of a bottle mold. Okay, for example, the liquid will take the shape of the mold. Okay, and you will get the shape. Now if the mold is of the shape of a bottle, so the liquid glass will take the shape of the bottle. Okay, so you can see in this picture also there are so many shapes and sizes of bottles or glasses. Okay, Hot liquid glass is poured into molds and hardened to make articles of various shapes and sizes. So as I said, this glass liquid, hot glass liquid, it is poured into the molds, okay, into the shape which it has to take, and hardened. The liquid glass is kept in the mold for some time till it becomes stiff, okay, and you get the various shapes and sizes. It can also be rolled out to make flat sheets of glass. In another process, molten glass is floated on a bed of molten metal to make very flat glass sheets of even thickness. Now children, this liquid glass can also be rolled out, okay, and make flat sheets of glass. Okay, we can see these sheets of glasses in the shops where they sell glasses. Okay, whenever we need, they cut and give us, isn't it? And there is also another process in which molten glass, that is liquid, means glass in a liquid form, okay, it is floated on a bed of molten metal. That is, this liquid gas is poured on the molten metal to make a very flat glass sheet, and the thickness will be equal, it will be even all over, okay, all around it will be the same, the thickness will be the same. Gobs of hot liquid glass can be blown into bottles, bulbs, glasses and other objects. Gobs means lumps of glass. Okay, lump. It is a big ball of glass. Okay, this liquid, it can be blown into bottles, bulbs, glasses and other objects. Liquid glass can also be drawn out into very thin fiber or glass wool. Okay, now this liquid glass, it can also be drawn into very thin fiber or glass wool. Glass wool means thin fibers. Okay, now children, hope you all understood this part of the lesson well. Okay, I will continue the same topic in which I will explain about the properties of glass, colored glass, stained glass and also about recycling of the glasses. Okay, hope you all understood. Listen to the video and understand the topic well. Okay, till then, stay safe children. Thank you.